Hello and welcome to Codition. Today we are going to see a tool called as SQL Editor, which is actually a SQL Server table editor. So using this tool we can edit SQL Server tables in an easy manner, and let me show you how this works. So here I have entered my server name and I will choose my DB and I will hit connect. So there are various tables which has come now. So first feature is we can export data to Excel. So if I hit on Excel, it will export data to Excel and also save on your desktop. So this data has come here and this is also saved in the Excel export over here. So let me delete all these files and close this one. Now the other feature is we can duplicate. So just select a table and then just hit duplicate. So let me duplicate this one, tester, and then we have a filter over here that we can use, and delete, you know that we can easily delete a table. So let us use the first table and make some changes or add some values. Codition ABC India and we hit update. So it is going to update all this information. So if I want to duplicate this data or I am inserting new records, so we can similarly type those records and choose this option over here, insert, and hit insert. So this data is being duplicated. Now I can export this data to Excel and then I'll show you some magic as well. So this data has come over here and I am going to correct these serial numbers and then make some changes. Codition, and I save this one. Now I have a similar table with the same structure. Okay, so just keep in mind we should have same structure. So let me delete all from this table and let me load the data into this one, duplicate one. So load Excel and choose the table and then open, and it is going to feed the data here. And I can, let me see if this table is updated or not. It is not updated, so we have to hit update after that. Data, let me choose the file with data and then click on insert. So now if I come to this table and then this table, you will see data is here. So let me again load more data to this one. This file has more data, yes. So either I can just hit update and see if this works. Okay, so green color has come. This is being updated now. So let us go back to SQL Server and see something here. I want to show you something here. So one thing we have to keep in mind whenever we are uploading data to this tool, we have to keep in mind that the structure of the table on the SQL Server should match with the structure here. So for example, if I have declared something as integer over here, I should enter integer only. I should not try to enter a string over here. So the best practice would be just declare everything as varchar and have enough spaces there so that the data can be entered. Right now my table doesn't have a primary key. You can try with primary key as well. So let me choose this tester, and I made this data to show you something. This one has a varchar of 5, the customer ID. So let me try entering some data over here which is more than 5. Now see, this error has come up. Let me do it here. I will enter some invalid value and hit tab. Invalid value entered. So this one was invalid, so it is being removed. So this thing we have to keep in mind. Now update is to update the records, and then delete one is to delete everything. So let me delete records of this one, delete all, so it is going to clear all the everything, and then delete this table as well. Okay, so you will get a setup file in the on the GitHub. This file you can use to run this installation. And let me show you rest of the points how this tool works. So this is the GitHub link. This tells you about all the features of the tool and the requirements, then how we have to install other rest of the tools for and make settings to make this tool run. One more thing we have to keep in mind that this tool works .NET 4.0. So in case you are upgrading this tool, then you have to be very careful with the code. Some of the lines might not work and we might need to upgrade the code as well. Okay, so thank you for watching, and for similar kind of videos you may subscribe to my channel. Thank you.